Guys, the site Sahil, and I have just installed VirtualBox on my computer and I'm getting some issues. So I'll show you what is happening. So yeah, failed to create VirtualBox client from object, the application will now terminate. So this is the error that I am getting, and I was really wondering how can I fix this issue. And I have got a solution for this. So basically we need to completely uninstall VirtualBox. So for that, just open your terminal by pressing Ctrl-Alt-T, and we need to get the exact package name. So for that, just type dpkg ---- list. This will give you the list of each and every package installed in your computer. These are the packages, and we need to search VirtualBox inside it. So that will take a lot of time. So basically we are piping this with the grep command and virtual. So basically these are the VirtualBox packages. We need to remove both of them. So just copy that and just type sudo apt-get purge and paste that. Type your password. Yes. And then we need to remove this one too. Copy that. Okay, it will take some time depending upon your computer performance. Okay, now just type sudo apt-get purge and paste the second package and hit enter. Yes. Now just get the root privileges. So sudo su and type apt-get install virtual VirtualBox, right? Just type this. So apt-get install VirtualBox space virtual VirtualBox ext back. So apt-get install VirtualBox in VirtualBox extension package. Just type this command and hit enter. Yeah, type yes, and basically this will take a lot of time. So I will pause the video. So Oracle Corporation request VirtualBox either, yeah, just accept the agreement, yes, and this will take a lot of time. So I'm just pausing the video. Yeah, so the installation is finished, I guess. So let's check. Just close this pop-up and just type VirtualBox. Yeah, so it is working. So this was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, then please hit the like button, and thanks for watching.